I'm going to show you the perfect simple salad that's the best complement to your beautiful main courses that you've worked so hard on for your guests. I love butter lettuce, and the best one I've found is this Organic Selects. And the coolest thing about it is it's living. It's still attached to the roots. Butter lettuce is very delicate, so all you're going to do is break off your leaves, however many you want. Make sure that there's no dirt attached. You can rinse them a little bit if you like, and then let them dry. They have to be pretty dry in order for that dressing to stick. I've done that here, and you just tear up that butter lettuce, the beautiful butter lettuce, into the size of pieces that you want. But here's the trick to not ever have your salad wilt before your guests are ready to be served. Put your salad dressing in the bottom of the bowl first. That goes down first. Carefully put your lettuce on top. Let it just be, right? And once your guests are seated, that's when you want to toss your salad. Put all that beautiful champagne vinaigrette from my other video. Toss it into this beautiful butter lettuce, and you are ready to serve your guests.